Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3 43mm edition, and I'm gonna show you how to restart or soft reset this watch. So to restart this watch, we need to press and hold the lower button and keep holding it until the power menu appears on the screen. Once the menu pops up, you should see the restart option. Tap on it and wait until the rebooting process is complete, which will take at least a few seconds. It will take probably more, but yeah, it will take a while, so let's wait. Okay, and once you see the watch face, it means that the restart is complete, and that's how you soft reset or restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.